Hi, it's Jenny with Jenny's Wreath Boutique, and in this video I'm going to be making 3 one-of-a-kind wreaths from my fall stash. I'm trying to make room for Christmas, and I do this every season toward the end. I like to go through my supplies, see what I don't have enough of to make multiples of things, and just go through it and make lots of fun wreaths. So I thought I would take you along and make some wreaths. So I'm going to be using a 14-inch grapevine on these wreaths. I've got a box of them right next to me. If you are excited about this, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. So the materials that I picked out for this wreath is kind of a purple theme, purple and creams. And by purple, I mean like mauve, burgundy. So I just have this one pink eucalyptus. Isn't that pretty? I love it. And a white pumpkin, some fall leaves. I don't know if I'll need all of this stuff. I might actually have enough to make 2 of these wreaths. I have some smoke bush. Isn't that pretty, the leaf color? I love it with this. So cute. And then I found some of these. I think it's like baby's breath. I'm not sure. Super cute. And then I have these beautiful ranunculus. Oh, and that burgundy color. So that's the plan for this first wreath. I also have my hot glue and my hot glue gun. And I have some floral wire in case I need to tie something down that's crazy and I need more control. And then I have my favorite wire cutters. Love them. All of this is linked in the description below. And I'm just going to start by getting my grapevine cleaned up. This is a pretty nice one, actually. It's nice and round. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is figure out which side of the grapevine we want out, and I'm going to do this side because it's prettier, and this wreath is going to have an exposed grapevine. So now we're going to make our greenery base. So I'm going to start with this. This is going to be half moon wreath, so it's going to have some exposed grapevine, and that's probably my favorite style of wreath to make when I'm using a bunch of random stuff that I have. So I'm very excited. Now I'm going to add the next greenery. Okay, I can always fill in more of that later. I'm going to add some of these white berries just because the pumpkin is very white, and I want to bring some of that out in the rest of the wreath. I know the leaves are white, which I was hoping to make up for it, but this is pretty bright. So I'm going to see if I can add a few of these in here just to see what it looks like. And I think that will be enough to tie it together. Cute. There's our first wreath. What do you guys think? I love the colors. So cute. All right, we're going to go on to our next wreath. This is also a 14-inch grapevine, and I'm just going to clean it up really quick. There's a lot of scraggly pieces. It looks bad at first, but once you clean it up, it looks so nice. And this wreath is also going to have some exposed grapevine, so I want to make sure that part that's going to be showing is the prettiest part of the grapevine. And this is more of an oval shape, which we'll just have to work around by bringing some of our florals in a little bit. But I'm going to show you what we have for this wreath. We have a couple things of wheat, these fun fall leaves, not sure what they're called. I have, these just arrived actually. I was excited to use them. They're so pretty. These are camellia leaves. Aren't they pretty? I love them. I ordered these in January and they just arrived, and it is the middle of September as I'm filming this. So lots of supply issues this year. And then I have these cream flowers. These are from last year. I love them. I stocked up on a fall sale last year and I'm glad I did. And then these are, I believe, from Greenery Market. I have never shopped there, but they were a gift. Now, I love these flowers because they're these adorable little ranunculus, but they're in a fall color, and I think this color of leaf matches really well with the flowers. I've been at a loss of how to use these, but I know colors work well with the right things. Any color could be good or bad depending on what you put with it. So I was really excited when I put these together, and I think that peachy harvest color looks so good with these leaves. So I'm very excited. And then of course with the cream, love. So I think I'm gonna add in the grasses next. I'm adding in all my big pieces right now. And then I'm just gonna cover up the middle with our focal point, which is our little flower bundle. And this wreath is a little bit different in style than the one I just made, where it's more the crescent kind of curves around the wreath. This one I like having a straight line. Yes, it does curve with the wreath some, but not as much, and it pans out a lot farther. It's just a different look, same kind of idea though. Aren't these autumn roses beautiful? I love them. This is a ranuncula. I like having the cream because it adds that pop and it kind of matches the wheat a little bit. So I'm going to add my larger flowers first. There's a lot going on in the middle here, so it might be a little difficult. Come together so nicely. I just have to say, these are really good quality, and I love the little branches, so it makes these little clusters go in really quickly and they look really nice together. I love this wreath. So cute. And I know it's a lot of flowers in the middle, but that's okay. I just want to use up these last pieces because I only have one of these and I don't want to have a bunch of extra stuff laying around. The whole point of this is to use up my stuff and of course make new designs. I'm sold out of half of my shop right now. So not only does this clean out my wreath room a little bit, it gives me a few new designs to add to my shop. Okay. Okay, here's our second wreath. What do you guys think? Oh man, I love this. You could hang it lots of different ways. Personally, I like it like this. Lots of options. Okay, this next wreath is so fun. I'm really excited. I got these little cabbages. Aren't they cute? Cabbages or kale? Not sure. Oh, they're cabbages. And pumpkins. So this is so fall. This is like going to a pumpkin patch, you know, small farm stand kind of wreath. So I have this, cabbage picks, some pumpkins, some wheat. I mean, this is fall. I just love, I mean, you can make a little planter out of this. Anyway, so I have these things. I have some fall colored eucalyptus, because look how perfectly these colors go with the pumpkins and everything. Anyway, this is another random stem I have. I just love how the colors worked really well, and I only have one of these, so I thought this would be the perfect wreath. And then I brought in one of these, just like our last wreath, because I thought the colors worked really well, but I am gonna cut this one up. And then our camellia greenery. I just think if you're trying to use up a lot of stuff and make a bunch of one-of-a-kind wreaths just using leftovers, if you have a good solid greenery, that really can help bring everything together. So I love these, and I think the quality is amazing. You could also use ficus. It kind of has the same, structure. I'm going to start with my greenery base again. Looking so good already. I'm excited. I just love this mix. It's so pretty. I don't like even numbers, especially for a focal point, but we'll see. I'm gonna add the grasses in, and that'll help bring that lighter color to the rest of the wreath. Okay, here's our last one. What do you guys think? This one has a lot of stuff in it, but I love it. You could call this the kitchen sink wreath or a farm stand wreath, fall farm stand. I hope you liked this video. Which wreath was your favorite? I would love to know. I'm going to show all of them right after I'm done talking. Yeah, I would love to know which wreath was your favorite. I'm about to show all of them. And then if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so I know to make more videos like this. Share it with a friend who also loves wreaths. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. Alright, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!